Silence is not empty, it's full of answers. Noise creates illusions, silence brings truth. The power of silence is often louder than the noise of words. Time and silence are the most luxurious things today. A famous German proverb says that silence is a fence around wisdom. Silence is the sleep that nourishes wisdom. Silent moves create loud results. Silence is the best response to a fool. In order to hear yourself, you need days of silence. Observation can be more informative than conversation. Move in silence. Only speak when it's time to say checkmate. Silence and smile are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems, and silence is the way to avoid many problems. Sometimes silence is a really good answer. Silence is a place of great power and healing. Speech is great, but silence is greater. Win in silence. Let them think you are still losing. A seed grows with no sound, but a tree falls with huge noise. Destruction has noise, but creation is quiet. This is the power of silence. Grow silently. When you build in silence, people don't know what to attack. Win in silence. Remember, a lion doesn't roar after a kill. Silence is one of the great arts of conversation. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. Sometimes you need to learn to be quiet even when you have a lot to say. Remember, friends, never complain and never explain. It's better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to open one's mouth and remove all doubt. Abraham Lincoln says. Confidence is silent. Insecurities are loud. The smarter you get, the less you speak. Silence is the best reply to a fool. Let silence be another language of conversation. Work hard in silence. Let your success be your voice. Notice everything. Stay quiet. Silence is a gift. Learn to value its essence. So friends, this is all from me today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.